In this video, we will explore C++ tuples and how they allow us to work with fixed-size collections of heterogeneous values. C++ tuples are a powerful feature for grouping together different data types into a single variable. Tuples are fixed-size collections of heterogeneous values. They have been a part of the C++ standard library since C++11. Tuples are defined in the tuple header file. They are similar to standard pair, but can hold any number of elements, and these elements can be of different types. Let's look at a simple example. First, include the iostream, tuple, and string headers. Then, in the main function, create a tuple. Here, a tuple named person is created. This tuple holds an integer, a string, and a double. The values are 30 John and 6.2. Let's explore different ways to create tuples. To create a tuple, specify the data types within angle brackets, followed by the values you want to store. Another way to create a tuple is by using makeTuple. The makeTuple function automatically deduces the data types of the elements. Now let's see how to access tuple elements. Accessing tuple elements can be done using standard get with the index of the element you want to access. The index starts at 0. In this example, we create a tuple T with an integer, a string, and a double. We then access each element using standard get and assign them to variables I, S, and D respectively. One of the most useful features of tuples is structured binding, introduced in C++ 17. Structured binding allows you to unpack tuple elements into individual variables, making the code more readable. Consider a tuple named student containing an ID, a name, and a GPA. With structured binding, you can unpack these elements directly into variables ID, name, and GPA. Then print these values. C++ provides utilities to get the size and element type of a tuple at compile time. Standard tuple size gives you the number of elements in the tuple, and standard tuple element gives you the type of an element at a specific index. Tuples are not just for storing data. You can also modify their elements. To modify elements in a tuple, use standard get with the index of the element you want to change and assign a new value to it. Now let's talk about tuple concatenation. You can combine two or more tuples into a single tuple using standard tuple cat. The resulting tuple contains all the elements from the original tuples in the order they were concatenated. Tuples support comparison operators such as less than and equal to, which perform lexicographical comparison. This means that the elements are compared in order, and the comparison stops as soon as a difference is found. You can swap the contents of two tuples using standard swap. After the swap, student 1 will contain the data of student 2 and vice versa. Tuples are commonly used to return multiple values from a function. Consider a function that fetches user data from a database. Instead of using output parameters or creating a custom structure, you can return a tuple containing the user's ID, name, and active status. Using structured binding, we can unpack the returned tuple into individual variables and use them directly. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.